जय जय शङ्कर हर हर शङ्करा जय जय शङ्कर हर हर शङ्करा जय जय शङ्कर हर हर शङ्करा जय जय शङ्कर.
Periyava Satcharitam, Chapter 53. Dvaitam is in the name, not in the treatment. A bulky, almost obese lady came once for Periyava's darshan. She was feeling awful about not being able to bow down and do namaskaram in view of her overweight. She stood with folded hands before Paramacharya and said, "I have sugar complaint, Periyava. My doctor says I have to reduce my weight to control the problem and has asked me to walk at least for an hour daily. But I find it difficult to walk even for 10 minutes. Though she did not say it out, she was asking Periyava to give her a remedy that was not as difficult as the one the doctor had prescribed. Doctors are like that. They will quote from the medical books and prescribe treatments without bothering to see whether their advice is practical or feasible," said Periyava. The lady was now emboldened. "Aha, Periyava will certainly give me a solution that I can work out much more easily," she thought. She looked at the Mahan eagerly. "Health is crucial. God should give you ailment-free life," continued Periyava. "Is there a temple near your house?" "Yes, Periyava, we have a big Shivan temple nearby." "That's good news. Every morning and evening, do 6 pradakshinas, circumambulations of the temple precincts, and sweep the floor of the temple for about 100 feet daily." The lady agreed happily, took prasad and left. A staff devotee who was near and witnessed the entire incident could hardly control his laughter. Periyava looked at him with his trademark impish smile. "Did I give her the wrong medication?" he asked the staff. No, Periyava. The doctor prescribed walking for the lady. Periyava prescribed pradakshina." "Oh, what you are saying is that we gave her the same treatment, only named it different, right?" The Dvaitam, duality, was only in the name, not in the medication. Periyava used to enjoy such light-hearted banter occasionally. Jai Jai Shankara, Hara Hara Shankara, Mahaperiyava Charanam.
हर हर शङ्करा जय जय शङ्कर हर हर शङ्करा जय जय शङ्कर.